friends. In one of the previous videos we saw that LED grow light is one of the gifts that can be given to plant lovers. Today we are going to open this and set it up for our indoor plants. Let's open it. This came with some tools for the indoor plants also. I have to read the instructions first. This has 5 heads and it has a 360-degree movable gooseneck also, so you can adjust it. And it comes with the 2 spectrum of lights. It says red and blue spectrum. The red spectrum promotes flowering and fruiting. Blue spectrum promotes the growth of plants and contributes to chlorophyll synthesis. Since the plants need rest at night, it's not good to leave it on for 24 hours. If your indoor plant is not getting enough light at like 6 hours of sunlight a day, then you can use an LED grow light. And this has a timer also. You can adjust it for 3 hours, 9 hours or 12 hours. I'm going to plug this in first and then we can see how it works. It has a clamp, so you can clamp it to any table or chair. I just plugged it in to the power outlet and it has a power on and off button. You can see the blue spectrum now. You can choose blue or red spectrum. Now it's the blue spectrum and it is the red spectrum. This is the control panel. Here you can turn it on. This is the timer. There is an option to choose the timer. 3 options for 3 hours, 9 hours or 12 hours. And here you change the spectrum to red and or blue. Now it's the blue and now it's the red. And here you adjust the brightness, the plus or minus. If you are using this grow light for like fruiting plants, or if you are expecting the plant to be flowering during winter time, you can use the red spectrum to promote the flowering and fruiting. And if the plants are just overwintering, then you can use the blue spectrum. You can adjust the brightness also. This is very user friendly. You can plug it in, then you can choose the spectrum, red or blue, and then you can adjust the timer for 3 hours, 9 hours or 12 hours, and then you can adjust the brightness also. And it says when you are using it, the distance between the plants and the light should be 10 to 20 inches. This LED grow light is very user friendly. You just have to plug it in and then turn it on, and you can turn on the timer and you can adjust to red or blue spectrum, and you can adjust the brightness, and you can clamp it anywhere, on a chair or on a table.